Hello, hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today on Monday. Yes, brand new day. Um, Monday on April the 12th, 2021. I have sad news because we have only one Sudoku, one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. Because in this newspaper there are no extra Sudokus. Let me show you. No extra Sudokus or an additional. So I've decided to continue with the rest of the Sudokus of Friday. Saturday I've already solved, so I will continue later with the with the Friday additional. Alright, so only one regular Sudoku. Let me see here. Yes, and this one I've already counted the printed digits. Well, we have here 27 printed digits, and it will be number 2620. Yes, 2620. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Three missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is a 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Yeah, alright. Then we see a 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see here 2, we see there 2, so no 2s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Alright. Then I cannot continue with the 2. Let me see another digit. How about the number? We have a 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers here. For the numbers 3 and 7 are missing. 3 and 7 we see here. 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5 and the 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes because I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number here in this big square is a number 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. Then the 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 6 should be here. Then. One, 8, 5. Okay. Okay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and 8. We have a 7 and 8 in this row, so no 7 and an 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 and an 8 goes in those 2 boxes, 7 and an 8. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. All right. So we have a 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 3, 4. Alright. And now, how about 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, oh 8 there, 8 should be there. Alright. Then. 嗯 We have an 8 in this row, an 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle a row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. Well, we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So here cannot be an 8. There should be the 8. Alright. 5, 5. Okay. 6. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 6. We have a 9 and a 6 in the middle column, so no 9 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. The 9 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay. So what are these 3 missing numbers? We have a 9 and a 6 there, 5 and an 8. So those missing numbers in this column are the 1, the 2, and the 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And look, we have a 2 and a 3 there. So no 2 and a 3 in this box. The 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this column for the number 1. Alright, 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. Alright. 2 boxes left in this row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 and the 6 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And I've marked those 2 boxes with the 9 and the 6. Now we have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright, the 9. Do we have all the 6s? Let me count, and all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. So we have a 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in that row, so in the row between, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there, the only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 9, all right. Let me see. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 8 should be there. Now we have 8 there, so this box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 5. Alright. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. And the row below, the third row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. 1 box left in this row. The first row for the number 3. Okay. 3 in this column. 3 in the first column, so the column between. The second column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. Alright. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. This is number 4, number 3. Alright. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Okay. Then. 4. Let me think. We have a 2 in this row, 2 in a row above. So in that row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used, I can see. This is number 5, number 2. Alright. Then. How about these 2 numbers in the last row for the numbers 1 and 4? 1 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright, 1 number left in this row for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 and the 5 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 4 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 5. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. All right, finish in 40 minutes. Great medium Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in additional, not in additional of today, because there's no additional on in this newspaper. I will continue with the extra Sudokus of Friday. Yes, last Friday. So see you then. Bye bye for now.